Whoop, sorry for the jump scare, friends, but I have the perfect easy and healthy snack for all of your spooky festivities. I'm calling them Mott's Zombie Eyeballs. Super easy to make. Let's jump in. So I have mozzarella cheese balls, super easy to find. I got all of this at Trader Joe's. We have prosciutto, and then we have manzanilla olives. Let's jump in. You want to manipulate the cheese a little bit so it can fit around the olive. I was kind of trying to cut a slit in the center, but the cheese balls weren't big enough. So if you can find cheese balls that are big enough to fit an olive inside of it, feel free. I'm sure it'll be easier. But for this, I had to kind of manipulate the cheese a little bit. And, you know, sometimes it didn't want to work for me, but it's okay. It doesn't have to be super, super clean. It kind of fits the spookiness of the vibe, it not being super perfect. So absolutely fine. Then you're going to take the prosciutto and you're going to fold it hot dog style, if you will. And you want to kind of fit it underneath so it has kind of a support. But then you want to kind of just go around it and still be able to show the mozzarella and the olive inside. So I kind of fold it a little bit, give it a little bit of shape, make it a little bit look more like an eyeball, if you will. But yeah, that's literally it. It's so simple, it's so easy. I'm going to do a couple more for you right here. So Mott's Zombie Eyeballs. If you guys have any questions, put them in the comments below, but you'll have to let me know if you try them.